Hello, Mr. Hebe here, and today we're going to talk about making a simple animation. Now, when we do this, we have to import time at the beginning. Otherwise, the first couple lines are exactly the same as you're used to. And we want to level out the world, bulldoze it, knock everything out of there. And then I like setting the bottom row, the -1y, to grass. You can set it to whatever you want. I think it looks nice to have just some grass down there. And then I'm going to set your position at 0, 0, 0, just so everybody's looking at the same thing. Now, we're going to start with one block. So we're going to start with just making some block, mc.setBlock at 1, 1, 1. I'm going to make 246 because I like this glowing obsidian lately, and it's just kind of a fun block. Now when I run it, boom, there it is. Not super exciting, but there's a block there. We'll eventually make that block move. But before we do that, there's something that we need to deal with. Now, we have to make sure our set blocks, our bulldozing the world, is commented out or erased or something. Otherwise, it takes a few seconds for that to load up, and then you can't see the animation happening. So make sure you uncomment or you comment that out. All right. Now we're going to set another block just one step away in the in the Z direction. So 1, 1, 2, same block, 246. And if I ran it, it's just 2 blocks. It doesn't look like that block moved at all. In order to make it look like that block moved, what we have to do is we have to erase the first block. So we show the first block, and then we have some time gap between there. Now we have to get rid of the first block, 1, 1, 1, we're turning it to air. And if we ran this, it would just show the second block. So we want to have a time.sleep and have a certain amount of time that it sleeps for. You know, a second. I'm going to go with a ½ second here because that's makes it go a little quicker. So now if I like what I see, we present it, move it over, and erase our first spot, and then we'll sleep for another ½ second. Now, we can set a block at 1, 1, 2 at 246, no, at 0, so then it erases the block. There it goes. So it showed one, showed the second one, and then it erases. That's a little bit of animation. So if we set a block and 1, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 2, that's going to move it up 1. And so now if we ran that over, up, but that top one stays there because we didn't erase it yet. But that's the basics of starting some animation.